Good afternoon guys, welcome back to another vlog. I've been out for a walk this morning with Jake, caught up on my admin that I need to do and I can't even speak today and so now I'm in the workshop. I'm going to spend the afternoon here. And I left my drill right in the middle of the workshop. Anyway, I'm going to take you along with me today. I've got a couple of things that I need to do just for this afternoon to get things going. I still haven't finished the wall, but as I said, I'll be doing that as I go in between. So I've got a lot of stock that I need to prep down for some chopping boards and some other stock that I need to prep for more products because over COVID I've completely run out of stock. So that's the plan for the rest of this afternoon. Take care of your machines, maintain them, use some machine wax. It'll make your life a lot easier. So I've managed to squeeze in an hour or two now just planing down that stock. I've got these pieces of oak all ready to be rip cut. They're planed down, and the ash and some sycamore just behind. Those pieces are done, and I got a couple more bits over there. So yeah, it was a really good day of, or a good hour or two of machining those down. I would love to rip cut these now and do a few more boards. However, I know I'm so forgetful. This is completely full. As you can see, it's only got this tiny gap here. That means I need to get some more bags. I don't have any in the shop. I thought I might have had a spare one, but I don't. So what are you going to do? It's coming up to 4 o'clock. I could take a trip to Axminster now, But me being me, I'm always forgetful. I've forgotten my phone, I've forgotten my wallet, so it means I can't go to Axminster. So I'm gonna just clean up the shop a little bit, head home, and I'll catch up with you in the morning. Before I change the bag, I'm gonna chuck a dust mask on because I got a feeling once I unhook it, it's just gonna go in my face. Job done. I got a nice mask face going on. I've got all the rip cuts done, but now I just need to put all those strips as a once over through the thicknesser, and then we can start gluing up. I've now done the layout, so I'm going to move on to the glue up. I'm going to glue it in 2 halves because I don't want to have any gaps, so I just want to make sure I can pull it in tight. That's it for today's vlog. I'm gonna let the glue dry, head home, shut up shop, Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.